Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add family member in Uber. So do you want to make sure your loved ones ride safely, staying connected? Alright, so here's how to add them to your Uber family profile step by step using the latest Uber app. Launch the Uber Rider app on your phone, which I'm in. Now make sure that you signed into your personal Uber account, not the business profile. At the bottom right corner, go ahead and tap on your profile pic, your account rather, the accounts with the silhouette icon. This opens your account menu. So here you're going to see an option that says settings, and you're going to see family, and you're going to see simple mode, messages, and by driving or delivering, saved groups, and set up your business profile for stuff like that. So go ahead and click on family. All right, so you should now see the family profile section. So take care of your family with Uber. So pay, you're going to see a couple of options here. It says pay for your family, get updates, and manage family members. So go ahead and click on invite family members. So be prompted to invite people using a phone number or from your contact. So this is adult or senior, anyone. So now you'll be prompted to choose a contact. You can click on choose a contact and select a member. I'm sorry, you can have access to my contact. So go ahead and tap the mobile number or choose a contact from your phone. And once you do that, tap send invite. Uber will send an SMS invitation to the family member, asking them to accept your invitation. Your family member needs to accept the invite by tapping the link in the SMS, and once accepted, they will be added to your family profile and they can start requesting rides paid for through your default payment method. Now, still in the family section, you can assign a payment method the family member will use for their rides. Tap the payment icon next to the family name and select or add a payment card, and that's it. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.